Well, smog and haze in our skies is a normal occurrence. Experts say this time of year is when we see more days with smog.
ABC 7's Katie Frazier explains why this happens and how this visible pollution impacts your health.
Here is the view from Scenic Drive on Monday morning. A visible layer of smog hangs over Ciudad Juarez and El Paso. But it is not a rare occurrence. Here it is on October 7th, October 9th, and October 19th.
Smog is pretty much a type of air pollution. It's mainly due to the emissions from vehicles and industries and houses, as well as the burning of wood and coal.
The tiny particles that are released into the atmosphere are known as particulate matter.
Pretty much you have all of this particulate matter that it just pretty much gets together, and then when you have the development of an inversion, it just pretty much traps all of the particulate. So when you have large concentrations of them, then it's easier to actually see it.
Normally, temperatures decrease as you go up in the atmosphere, but on clear nights with light to calm winds, a temperature inversion can form, causing temperatures to temporarily rise as you go up in the atmosphere. The cooler and more dense air pollution at the surface will stay trapped under the inversion, which allows us to see it so easily in our skies. The United States and Mexico participate in a joint advisory committee, which allows both sides to address the air quality issues.
Each country regulates its air quality separately, but we understand that the issues go across the border. So we try to make sure that we have, if we're encountering issues, that each side has a way to address it within their jurisdictions.
Certain types of particulate air pollution can directly affect your lungs as well as your heart.
The general threat is repeated exposure.
Rimkus adds, senior citizens and children with respiratory or heart issues are more sensitive. Katie Frazier, ABC 7.
El Paso Environmental Services advises staying indoors and not exerting yourself when the smog gets bad. We'll